Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 60 of our series 60 out of 60 in KCET Mathematics in 100 days. Okay, so today is day 60 and we're talking about the session number 2 on the probability chapter. Okay, the last chapter of your PU2 syllabus. Today's session will be on bacha independent events. Okay, so we'll quickly see the concept of independent events, how can it work with 2 events or 3 events like that, and then we'll go ahead and solve questions on them. Okay, so I hope you're prepared. Simple questions we have taken. We'll solve all the questions. Okay, so I hope you're ready for this. Please take your pen and paper out and solve all the questions that I'm going to solve here with me. You don't have to take a pause, something like that. I know by looking at the question you can solve it. Simple topic, simple questions. We'll solve all of them. Okay, let's check the first question, bacha. All right, before question we have to solve what? The concept. Okay, so let's see the concept first. Independent events. 2 events are said to be independent if occurrence or means, let's say event is occurring or it doesn't occur, doesn't affect the other event. For example, okay, let's say if I don't come and teach you here and you're not studying, means event for me to come here and teach you, for you to study is dependent on each other, correct? Now, but you can think about an event that, for example, let's say some minister has coming to another state. How does it affect you? Okay, so event does not occur or does not occur. Okay, any event you can think of, right? So for example, any example you can think, right? I am having lunch. Does it affect you? Right? It does not affect you. So means you can think of an event where occurrence of first event does not affect the second event, then will be called as independent event. Okay, so occurrence or non-occurrence of one does not affect the occurrence or non-occurrence of the second event. Such type of events are called as independent events. Okay, clear? So when that is the case, I can write the intersection of the 2 events as simply PA into PB. PA into PB, because they are independent with each other. So PA, conditional probability of A on B, where B has already occurred, will become what? Simply PA, right? Simply PA, correct na sir? How come, sir? Can you not see this? P conditional probability with B is simply what, sir? PA intersection, excuse me, please check A intersection B, okay, upon PB, right? How much is that? Intersection B will be simply PA into PB, PA into PB upon PB, cancel them out. What is the answer? Simply PA. Okay, so if you are having conditional probability on that where the event is what? Mutually independent with each other, what are you gonna write? Simply PA as the answer. If you have 3 events like that, A, B, C are said to be independent events, then you can write the intersection of the event A, B, C probability as simply PA times PB times PC. Simple, sir. Okay, let's look at the first question. That's the concept. Okay, no problem. Okay, whatsoever. Let's see the first question, sir. Can you solve it? Of course, sir. An unbiased dice is thrown twice. Okay, let the event A be odd number. Okay, event A be odd, sir. Think about a dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Odd is 3, odd is half, and even is half. Okay, 2, 4, 6 is half, is even, and 1, 3, 5 is odd. Great, sir. It means event A, if you look at event A, for it to be what? For it to be odd. What's the probability, bacha? Probability will be exactly half. Means, sir, it's thrown twice. No, then what will happen, sir? Then total sample space will be what, bacha? Total sample space will be 36, right? Correct, na? First sample space is what, bacha? 1, 1. Secondly, what till here 1, 6, total 6 here. Then similarly 2, 1 and goes till 2, 6, है ना? And same way till last one will be what, बच्चा 6, 1, 2, 6, 6. Correct na? So think about it. First, let's say I'm throwing a dice. I'm only talking about the first place, only the first place. I throw a dice. What happens? It can either come even or odd. Correct, na? So half is the chances. So half will stay for how many possibilities? 36. It means what? Total I'll have 18 such possible ways. Out of total sample space, which is 36, I'm getting the answer to be simply 1/2. Okay, if you're not sure about it, just write it down. But I'm telling you, if you throw a dice, it can either come even or odd. It means what? 1/2 chances. They're independent, right? P and PB are independent. It means what? PB will also be, what is PB, bacha? B is the event of odd number on the second throw. Second throw, again odd number. Odd number means what? Again half chances. So 1/2. Now check the independence of the event. What does the independence of event says? That P of A intersection B should be equal to PA times PB. PA times PB is how much? 1/2 into 1/2. Let's check the LHS part first. PA times PB. What's the meaning of PA times PB? Means A intersection B. It means basically bacha, sorry, not times BB. PA intersection B means what? Both of them has to be odd. Think about it. What can it be? So if I just erase and write those sample spaces, those events where both the cases are odd. Let's check. I'll start from the first one. I cannot have 2, 4, 6, right? 2 means first is odd, right? So I cannot take 1. I cannot take 2. I can take 1, sir. So 1, 1, 1, 3, and 1, 5. First series is done. Can I take 2 series? I cannot take. 2 is an even number. So I'll take 3 series. 3, 1, 3, 3, and 3, 5. What was the last one, sir? 5, sir. 5, 1, 5, 3, and same way 5, 5. Please check how many. So total 9. Total 9. Such is what? 9 sample spaces divided by total number of sample spaces is what? 36. How much is that, bacha? 1 upon 4. For P of probability of A intersection B is simply 1 upon 4. What about PA into PB? Please check. PA into PB is simply, sir, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. How much is that, sir? 1 by 4. Isn't it verified? Please check. This is RHS, right? So what I'm getting LHS goes to RHS. It means what? This condition for independence is verified for the events given E and F as getting an odd number for number throw 1 and throw number 2. Moving on to question number 2. A problem is given to 3 students whose probabilities of solving it are 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. Okay, let's see. So let's say I have 3 students like this. Student number 1, A, who can solve. Probability of solving the problem is what? 1 by 3. है ना? Probability of solving a problem is what? 1 by 3. Same for B is what? 1 by, what is it, bacha? 1 by 4. And for C is what? 1 by 6, है ना? 1 by 6. 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. A problem is given to the 3 students whose probability of solving it is 1 by 3, 1 by 4, and 1 by 6. If the events of solving the problems are independent, means A, B, C are independent events, okay, then find the probability of first one. First one, please check first one. What is, sir? At least one of them solves it. At least one of them solves it. Statement is very important. Very important. At least one of them solves it, but bacha, it means probability of either A solving or is coming means union, or B solving or C solving means either of them can solve. They can, more than one also can solve, right? At least one means either can solve, or 2 can solve, 3 can solve. All of them are, is possible cause. A can solve, or B can solve, or C can solve, or A, B, C both can solve. What I'm gonna get, bacha, over here? Please check. 1 minus. I can write this. I know from the rule of independence I can use the condition of multiplication. So I'll write in these terms. Please check. Probability of. We can write this from set theory. Please check. A union. I'm writing this. All can solve. Either of them can solve it. None of them can solve. 1 minus A bar. Okay. B bar union C bar. Na 1 minus. None of them can solve. Correct. Correct, bacha. Have a look. 1 minus. I can write this as P of A intersection with B intersection with C intersection. Correct. Okay. 1 second. Have a look. Okay. Yeah. So it will be like this only, na bacha. Okay. Okay. So let us see. I've written this at a wrong place. Okay. So 1 minus P of, I can write what? For the independent events, P of A bar times P of B bar times P of C bar. है ना? Please check. 1 minus P of A bar is how much, sir? P of A is what? 1 by 3. P of A bar will be 2 by 3. 1 minus 1. What is P of A? P of is, please check from here if you're not sure. P of A bar will be 1 minus P of A, na? How much is P of A, sir? 1 by 3 means 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Same way P of B bar. Please check. P of B bar will be 3 by 4 from here. Please check. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. P of C bar will be what, bacha? 5 by 6. Please check, sir. 5 by 6. Have a look, sir. So I'm gonna get 3 and 3 is cancelled. 2 times 2 is cancelled. Okay. I'm getting this as, I can write it over here. 1 minus 5 is in the numerator and 12. 5 by 12. What is my answer? 7 by 12. 12 minus 5 will be 7 na. This is my first part's answer. Okay, that at least 2 solve it. Next part, that at least 2 of them solve it. Okay, at least 2 means even 3 can solve, right? But at least 2 of them can solve it. Please check. At least 2 of them can solve it. Means either, let's say A solves, B solves, but C does not solve. Okay, same way I can go what? A solves, but B doesn't solve, and C solves. At least 2, right? So 2 can solve. Same way, A does not solve, but B, intersection, right? Intersection, no? A does not solve, but B and C can solve. The last one, all 3 can solve, sir. How all 3, sir? Intersection is there na bacha? At least 2 means even 3 is true, right? Minimum of 2, but even more than 2 is also okay. More than 2 is all 3, okay? Please check. I can write it like this: PA multiplied with how? Rule of independence, okay? Independent events. PA times of PB times of PC bar, please check, plus PA times of PB bar PC. These are my steps, okay? Have a look. This is my first step, this is my second step, bacha. Okay, great. Have a look. Plus I'm getting for the next step PA bar PB bar, okay, not B bar, simply P and C, okay, plus PA PB and PC. I have to multiply it here. Please cross check. PA will be what, bacha? Simply 1 by 3. 1 by 3. PB is how much, sir? PB is 1 by 4, 1 by 6. 1 by 4 is PB. 1 by 6. PC bar will become what, bacha? 5 by 6. PC is what, sir? PC is 1 by 6. No? So PC bar will be 5 by 6. Please have a look. Same way. PA remains same. 1 by 3, sir. PB is 1 by 4. So PB bar will be, bacha, what? 3 by 4, sir. PC will remain what? 1 by 6, sir. Correct, na? PC is 1 by 6, PC bar is 5 by 6, okay? Addition. PA bar, sir, 2 by 3. Hai na? Please check. PB will remain what, bacha? As it is. So PB is where, bacha? PB is over here, na? So 1 by 4 only. And PC will remain as it is. Please check here. PC, so 1 by 6 again. Okay, please cross check. No, don't worry about it. PB is 1 by 4, PC is 1 by 6. Okay, great. Now again the last one all together means 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6, hai na? Please check. 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. Great, sir. Okay, let's do the multiplication. What I'm getting, have a look. So for this part, can I cancel something? No, I cannot cancel something over here. I should not cancel, no, because LCM is same. Please check. I should not have to cancel anything. Okay, great. Let's add them up. 3 into 4 into 6. 6 4 is 24. Or yeah, simply 72. Simply 72. Have a look, bacha. First one, sir, 5 is there. Next one, 3 is there. Next one, please check. What I'm getting, bacha? 2 is there. Next one, nothing is there, sir. Please check. So 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So I get what? 11 by 72. Can I cancel something? I cannot cancel anything, right? So answer is, second part answer is what, bacha? Please check. 11 by 72. 11 by 72. Clear, right? Visible, no? 11 by 72 is my answer. Third part. Third part, sir. Please check. Exactly one of them solved it. Exactly one means, so I can write like this: A solves, but B and C does not solve. Okay. Same way. This time, A doesn't solve, but B solves it, and C does not solve it. Okay. 1 second. B solves it, right? So B solves it, but C does not solve it. The last part, A does not solve, B does not solve, but C solves it. Okay. The person C solves it. So you can solve it like this from here. Please do it. Same operation for the independent events. You can get the answer to be 31 by 72. Do the multiplication. Okay. And comment your answer. Comment your answer, bachpa. All of you will comment, right? All of you will comment for question number Question number 2, part 3. Okay, I've written the answer for the first one is what? 7 by 12. Second one is coming as 11 by 72, and the third one is coming as 31 by 72. Please check. Simple multiplication. You can do it, right? Same way. It will be just lengthy. I'm skipping it. Okay. Moving on to question number. Please have a look once before I move on. Question number 2 is done. Okay. Question number 3. Let E1 and E2 be the independent events such that PE1 is P1, probability of the event 2 is P2. Okay. Describe the event in words. Means we have to talk about what is the meaning of this statement. Okay. कर लेते हैं. So statement that they have given is what, बच्चा? 1 second. I don't need this, I guess. Okay, sir. So what they have given is P1 plus P2 minus 2P1 P2. Okay. Okay, right? So before I write this, I have one adjustment to make. Let's check here. P of E1 times or intersection with E2 will be what, bacha? We know this, they are mutually independent events. Means P E1 and P E2. Correct, na? So simply what is that? P1 into P2. Right? Okay, that's the condition of independence. Great, sir. So right here P1 is what, bacha? P1 is simply P of E1. P2 is, sir, P of E2. I can write this, separate this. P1 into P2 minus P1 into P2. What I have for P1 into P2? PE1 intersection with PE2. So write that here. PE1, please check. Probability of the event E2 minus what is that? Probability of the event E1 intersection with event E2. And what is that, bacha? Again, same thing. Again, same thing. Great, na? Now please compare over here. Please check over here. Probability of event 1 or A plus B minus intersection. How much is that? Simply, sir, probability of event 1 union with event 2 minus probability of the event 1 intersection with event 2. What does this mean? Means either of them can occur. Means either event 1 occurs or 2 occurs, but they can't occur together. This means what? So please check. Event 1 can occur or event 2 can occur, but they can't occur together because the intersection is out, taken out. Means what, bacha? Basically what it means is, so event 1 or event, please check, event 2 can occur but not together. But not together, sir. Simple enough, right? But not together, not visible. I'll write again, don't worry about it. Okay, can occur. 1 second, I'll make it visible, sir, for all of you. Event 2 can occur but not together. Clear hai? Moving on. Shall we move on? Simple question. Just understand this condition for independence. Once you get to know that, separate this 2P1 P2 into twice of P1 P2 separately individually and write it like that. Clear hai? Moving on to question number 4. A coin is tossed thrice and all the 8 outcomes. We know it's 8 outcomes now. Event. Please check. How many outcomes for one event? 2. Total number of events? 3. We know this, right? We have learned in grade 10. That's how we find the total number of outcomes, right? Number of possibilities for one event divided to the power number of events. How much is that? 8. Total number of event is what? 8. Can you list out that? Please check. So H, T. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. H, T. Okay. Next, what we can do? T. Okay. What can I do now? H. T. Okay. T. Okay. And HST is done, right? And TTH. Do I have all of them? Please check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, now? I have all of them? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great, sir. Moving on, sir. Let's see the question. Okay, outcomes I've written equal. E and EF are the events such that E, what is E? Check here. What is E, sir? What is E, sir? First throw results in a head. And okay, so we are looking for E is what? First throw is head, and F is what? One second, sir. 1 second, sir. No problem, sir. What is that, bacha? Have a look. The last throw results in tail, sir. First has to be head and last has to be tail. So if I have to look for only sample spaces for event E, how is it right, bacha? Please check. E will be what, sir? What is E, sir? The first has to be H. Please check. 1. Write it here. List kar lenge. Come on, come on, come on. H. Okay, not T. But that also is true. Don't worry, we'll write in that order only. Whatever we've got. So H, T, T, and HTH is also there, sir. Yes, na, sir. Yes, sir. So we have this probability for E. Let's look for F, bacha. Let's look for F, balak. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For F, what do you have? Last, it should end with tails. Okay. So HHT, have a look. HHT. Next what? HTT. So HTT. Next what? Triple T. Next what? THT. है ना? So from here, if I have to write some things, please check. Number of the events E is what? Number of events. 4. Same way, number of events in the event F is what? Sample space. F is what? Simply again 4, sir. So simply if I'm looking for probability of the event E is what, bacha? Is 4 by 8. How come 4 by 8? So total is 8, na? Total sample space is 8, sir. And which is equal to same thing. Probability of F also, sir. 4 by 8. And which is equal to what? Same thing. 1 by 2 simply, na, sir. Yes, sir. 4 by 8 is what, sir? Is 1 by 2, na, sir. है ना? Probability of event E is 4 by 8. For F is 1 by 2. Simply it is, or not 1 by 2. Basically it is 4 by 8 again. So all of this is 4 by 8 or 1 by 2 only. Great, sir. Got it, sir. Agreed, sir. Great, bacha. So now let's check. They are mutually independent events. Correct, na? Head and tails are mutually independent. We know that. Let's look at one more thing. What are we looking for? Okay. Let's look at their intersections. Means both occur at the same time. Let's look at basically this. Event E intersection with event F. देखें, I have to pick the right option, right? So I'm going for this. Event E with F means head should come, tail should come. So one option is this, and the other option is this. Head should be first and tail should be the last. Head is first here, but head is last here. Head is first here, head is last here. Tail is first here, so not possible. Tail is first here, not possible. Tail is first here, and tail is first here. Got it? Yes, sir. It means how many events I have? How many? If I write this n in number of events where E and F is working together, intersection is there. We have only 2. Only 2. Okay. So probability of the event E intersection with F. How much is that, bacha? Please check. It will be, sir, 2 upon what, sir? 8. Na? Total number of events is what, sir? 8 only. So 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Have a look. What I'm getting so far? Probability of the event E with F is what? Coming as 1 upon 4. Great. We know that for the independence condition what we have. Please check. 1 second. 1 second, na, sir. E F should be equal to what? P of E into P of F, right? Not intersection, into, right? Product is there. Please check. Product is there. What I'm getting for this? This was 1 by 2. This also was 1 by 2. What is that? 1 by 4. Isn't that verified? Have a look. So which option suits? Option number B. Option number B. Okay. If you want, you can directly pick this answer. Correct, na? From definition of the independent events. But I have given you the complete solution. Please have a look. Okay. Chaliye. Simple question, but interesting question. Okay, we can solve it. Not very simple, but if you want to look at from the definition point of view, you can write that. But we have proved it right using our exactly all this explanation. कर लेंगे, easy. Moving on to question number 5. 2 cards are drawn from a well. Now this is an easy question. Cards means mostly easy. Well shuffled deck of 52. 2 cards are drawn. Okay, let's look at the slot over here. Card number 1 is here, card number 2 is like this. Probability that both cards are aces. Okay, first, how many possibilities are there, bachcha? So 4 by 52 है ना. Event number 1, please check if this event is, let's say event A, this is event B, correct? 4 by 52. Second one is what? Same thing na sir. Okay, same thing sir. Aces are how many? 4 aces na. They're independent, yes or no? Mutually independent, right? How can we say that? By replacement. Once you took it out, you put it back also, correct? So chances of getting both to be aces will be what? Remaining same na. 4 by 52, 4 by 52. So basically probability of A is what sir? 4 by 52. How much is that sir? 1 by 13. Probability of the event B is what sir? 1 by 13 again. So 4 by 52 again 1 by 13. They are mutually independent means what? The product is the answer for this. PA and B should occur at the same time is simply what sir? PA into PB. How much is that sir? 1 by 13 into 1 by 13. So 1 by 169. Okay, they are not given like that. So option number A is correct. 1 by 169 I can write like that. Okay, chali. Moving on to question number 6. I said no, very simple question. Question number 5. Yes sir, as you said that A and B are 2 independent events. The probability that both A and B occurs is 1 by 6. Okay, what it means? Independent is there, okay? Both occurs, right bacha? So P of A and B both occurs, right? Is what? 1 by 6. We know that from definition, PA into PB is simply what sir? 1 by 6. So far we have read till this part. Probability that neither of them occurs. Neither of them means what? PA bar means A doesn't occur. And what is this? B also doesn't occur. Is how much bacha? It's simply going to be 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Have a look. So I can write for this also. PA bar times of PB bar equals to 1 by 3. Is equals to 1 by 3. I can write this PA bar as 1 minus PA, the whole thing is in the bracket. Right now PA bar is what? 1 minus PA. Same way PB bar is what bacha? 1 minus PB, have a look, equals to 1 by 3. Correct now? So keep it like this. I'm gonna get what? 1 minus P of A like this. And what about PB? Probability of what do they asking? Probability of the event of the occurrence of A be asking. So I'm going to keep this entire thing in terms of probability of the event A. What is going to be PB? From here you can write now. Please check. Right here. P of A would be, bring this PB on this side. So 1 upon 6 times of P of B, right? Correct, now? Keep PA on this side, bring PB on this side, will become division. So 1 upon 6B. So right here 1 minus 1 upon 6 probability of the event B equals to what bacha? 1 by 3. So let's just do one thing. Okay, I'm looking for PB, right? Ulta na sir. Ulta sir. Okay, no problem. Maybe write it here. So I'm going to substitute the PB value because I want to find what value of PA, right? So like that, now. I did a mistake. Please check. I'm looking for the value of PA, right? So I'm going to substitute for PB, right? Now I have only PA left here. So assume P of A to X bacha. Can I not do that? Yes sir. What does this become? Please check. 1 minus X times of 1 minus 1 by X, 6X, sorry, equals to 1 by 3. Please multiply 1 minus X. Take LCM over here. 6X minus 1, right? Divide by what bacha? Simply 6X equals to 1 by 3, right? So I'll write it over here. 1 minus X times of 6X minus 1 divided by 6X equals to what? 1 by 3. Is it right? Have a look once again. Yes sir. Can I multiply it? Of course. Please check. If I do that, I get with 1 6X minus 1 as it is. 6X minus 1 as it is. Now with X I get what? Minus 6X square plus X, है ना? Correct, na? Minus x times of 6x is what? Minus 6x square, and will be plus x for this one. I'm going to get this as 6x by 3. Please check. 6x by 3. I'm multiplying this on cross multiplication. Cancel this over here. Please check. You're getting what, bacha? 2x. Okay. So what is this that I have left with? I have here minus 6x squared, and x plus 6x is how much, bacha? It's going to be simply 7x, and minus 1 equals to 2x. Bring everything on this side. Everything on this side. It'll become what? 0 equals to 6x square positive, and 2x minus 7x will be minus 5x plus 1, right? 7 becomes minus 7. 2 minus 5, 7 is what? Minus 5 and plus 1. Can we factorize it? Yes. Yes, sir, we can factorize it. 6x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 1, na? Please check. Minus 3x plus 2x, minus 2x plus 1. What I'm getting? Factor is 3x. So 2x minus 1. And I can take minus common here. So 2x minus 1. Okay. So what I'm getting this as 3x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. If you equate them individually, you're going to get what? X as 1 by 3 from the first bracket. From second bracket, what are you going to get? X as simply 1 by 2, not 2 by 3. 1 by 2. Have a look. 1 by 2, sir. So what is x, sir? X is simply P of A, na? So 1 by 3 or 1 by 2. Which option suits? Please check. This one, right? So option number D is correct. Option number D is correct, sir. Have a look. Question number 6. Good question. Please have a look. Yes. Yeah. Moving on. Have a look again. PA is coming as this. This is your final answer, bacha. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Moving on to question number 7. Question number 7. Okay, great, sir. A machine operates if all of its 3 components is functioning. It means even if one fails, all will fail. Okay, sir. All of its 3 components has to function. The probability that the first component fails. Okay. So let's take the first component means P of A is what? Simply 0.14. The second component fails during the first stage is what? P of B, call it to be 0.1. Okay. And the third component fails is what? P of C is simply coming as 0.05. Okay. What is the probability that the machine will fail during the year? Basically, how can a machine fail? We know this. Machine can fail if at least, very important, at least one component fails. One component fails. है ना? It means basically P, either A fails or B fails or C fails. Or cases, even A can fail, not A, B, C together fails. If I have to take that, I have to take intersection, no? I'm not taking A, B, C, A intersection, B intersection, C. It means together it fails. What's the case? Either A fails or B fails or C fails. Okay. You know how to write this? Because I need the cases for independence event. Please check. So P of 1 minus P of A bar union B bar union C bar. I can write like this. At least one fails or no one fails. Okay. 1 minus no one fails. So I can write this as 1 minus P A intersection with. So I can write intersections now. Basically multiplication. Please check. Solve from here. Okay. You have the values given here. Take the intersection. Multiplication you can do. I think your answer should come as option number B. Homework, sir. I'm not doing so because a lot of multiplication is there. Not much is to be done. I've given you all the instructions that you need to solve this question. Please make sure that you solved it. Homework. So solve and comment your answer. Please do it, sir. Seriously take it and solve it. Going to be okay, bacha. Please solve it. You will solve it. You can solve it, you will solve it. I know all of you, you will solve it. Right, sir? You all are committed to doing your work. I'm very sure you're gonna solve the question number 7 and let me know the right answer. Correct? Let's move on to the Question number 8, and this is the last question of the day, bacha. So let's quickly wrap it up. Given that the events A and B are such that P of A is 1 by 2, P of A and B is 3 by 5, and P of B is a variable, okay, is P, then probabilities of B means P of B, that's what bacha they're asking for. P of B if A and B are mutually exclusive, okay, or independent, okay, means, excuse me, we are looking for two probabilities. First one, mutually exclusive means no relation whatsoever. It means what? Simply, sir, P of A intersection B is going to be what, bacha? 0 na, sir? Okay, sir. Let's see. So I have this union formula, please check here. PA union P equals to PA plus PB and minus, but this is 0, sir. From here you can see that. So I'm looking for PA union B is 3 by 5, PA is 1 by 2, and how much is PB? Is P. To find P value or PB value, I'll take it over here. I'm going to get this as 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2 is simply P, which gives me a value of, check the LCM, 5 and 2 LCM is, sir, 10. 5 times 2 is 3 times 2 means again 6. How? Making equivalent fraction. Yes, sir. 2 times 5 means 1 times 5 is simply, bacha, 5, getting the answer to be, P is coming as what, sir? P is coming as 6 minus 5 is what? Simply 1 by 10. If you want to, you can take the answer directly from here. Option number D is the correct option. But I will give you the solution for the second part also, don't worry about it, okay? But if you want, you can take the answer directly, like P goes to 1 by 10. We have only one option like that, which is 1 by 10. So first one is 1 by 10. So coming as, why first one, sir? Because respectively means in that order. In that order is very important. If let's say I had over here 1 by 3 as 1 by 10, will I take this option C as the answer? No, sir, because they have given the word respectively means I have to take in that order only. Which order, sir? For what, sir? Okay, I erased, sir, everything. So question number 8, given that the events A and B are such that PA equals to 1 by 2 and PA and then B is given as 3 by 5 and PB is P, then probabilities of B if A and B are mutually exclusive, okay, mutually exclusive, okay, and independent, we are looking for this thing. And what do we have to find out? Probabilities of B, we are looking to find out value of PB, sir, which is given as the variable P, sir. Great. So we are looking for two different cases, mutually exclusive and independent respectively, sir. In that order is very, very important, okay. Chaliye, look at the first case where we have the condition for mutually exclusive, sir, means no relation at all, sir, okay. It means, sir, P of A intersection with B will be what, sir? Simply 0, sir. We also know that PA union P is going to be, sir, PA plus PB minus PA intersection P. Great, sir. Great, sir. Now A union B is what, bacha? Have a look. They've given a value, this, bacha. This is going to be 3 by 5, sir, and PA is 1 by 2. This is given as simply P. This value is 0. How come, sir? From here, mutually exclusive events, okay. So I can bring this over here. Simply my P value is coming as 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Taking the equivalent fraction, the denominator will come as 10, sir. 3 times of 2, because 5 times of 2 is 10, so 3 times of 2 is going to be 6, and 2 times of 5 is 10, so 1 times of 5 will be 5, sir. Answer is 1 by 10. Which option is correct, sir? Option is D, sir, correct. I can move on from here, but will I? Of course not, sir. I will solve the second part also. I have one important thing to tell you over here. If you have, let's say, over here given as 1 by 10, will you take option number C? No, sir, you'll take still option D. How come, sir? They've written the word respectively means in that order. What is the first thing which is coming? Mutually exclusive means, check here, for the first part answer should be 1 by 10. Now the second part, if I write here 1 by 10 as the second part, means is the answer for the independent events, which is not the case, right? We are getting the 1 by 10 value for mutually exclusive events. It means the first answer has to be 1 by 10 because they have asked in that order. Very, very important, okay. Chaliye, second one is independent events. Independent events, sir, okay. Check here, bacha. So P of P of, please check A, intersection B will be what was simply P of A into P of B. That's the definition of independent events. Okay, so what is that going to be? Check here, 1 by 2 P, 1 by 2 P or P by 2, correct now? Okay sir, I can write it like this, simply P by 2. Now check the union condition. P A union B equals to P A plus P B minus P A intersection with P, correct now? What is A union B going to be, bacha? Please check. A union B is going to be 3 by 5, 3 by 5, okay. PA is how much? 1 by 2. PB is simply P minus P by 2. Bring this thing over here. We just got 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. We just got 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2 equals to P minus P by 2. Now, please check. P minus P by 2 and 1 by 2 have come here. What I'm getting? 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 10, sir. So right here, this side is simply 1 by 10, sir, equals to P minus half of P is simply half of P. Please check 2 and this cancels. What is the P value, bacha, in this case? 1 by 5. What does P value represent, sir? Probability of the event P. So answer is what? 1 by 5, which I already given you. Option D is correct answer. Please have a look. Okay, simple problem. I hope all of you got it. Have a look, have a look. Yes, okay. Final answer is over here for the second event, independent case. Okay, easy, good questions. Okay, they were not very easy questions, they were good questions, but I knew the concept is simpler. That's why I said simple problems. Good, bacha. All right, so I have given couple of homeworks. One part of question number 2, I think, and question number 7 I also given homework. Please make sure that you solve it. I've given all the tools required to solve those questions. I know you will solve it for sure. Okay, so with this I will close the session. So this is it, bacha. Any other requirement that you have, let us know. You know that we always come up with the solution that you ask for. Okay, so right now this is the end of the session. Please take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.